Transgender social activist Malem Thongam proclaimed to involve several peace forums to take legal action against armed Kuki militants who continue to block national highways. She said this upon her arrival at Kangla Gate in the final leg of cycling for Manipur Peace Campaign, which commenced from New Delhi in October. Malem Thongam cycled from Sekmai and reached Kangla at around noon today, concluding her long campaign raising awareness about peace in Manipur across the country. After paying her respects at Kangla Laiphamlen, the activist embarked for Khwairamband Ima Kaithel. She thanked those who came to receive her upon arrival and recounted her journey at Kangpokpi, highlighting the threats she received from Kuki organizations. She reiterated to seek assistance from peace forums to take legal action against those blocking the highways, while maintaining that she managed to cross through Kangpokpi with or without riding a cycle in it. She stated that as the phase 1 of cycling for peace concludes, she will soon embark on a phase 2 of the campaign. Recounting her journey, the activist claimed that a Kolkata magazine will be released next year detailing the campaign. She further asserted Indian government to bring a swift resolution in Manipur soon, saying that any more delays will invite a nationwide campaign, highlighting the series of differential treatment towards Manipur.
Miyoiba amada aki khangpokpa yaba wahai wata mayama sijanaraga aigi journey si Kangpokpi landanaba Manipur dagi separate administration demand taliba kanguna yamna kanna honarabasu aigi de cycle thauba thaudaba Kangpokpi crossing tawramaga Imphal yorakpa haibasi aigi pandam oibanina makoi yam kanna ngak sen laga lehawi lambida adubu aina security gi mateng lawjare haraga aina hiksa gi thodok thohaningdabadagi minna ai Kangpokpi lale haraga moina duty tawriba mafamdo lale haraga ngasi chengmaida ngarang thungaba matung asi Imphal yogjarakpani loina aigi peace journey asi Delhi dagi na ngasi mafamsi yawa phawda public ki support aduki matik phangi youth kaya gi support phangi Manipur gi mapanda leiba student organization mayamna su yamna chawraba mateng pangbirakpada natana tongan ba state singda leiriba police department singi side gi mateng pangbirai adubu leiriba mipum khuding magnadi peace ki matangda Manipur da shanti hanjalaknaba honabada pum khuding magnadi mateng pangningbagi wakhalon leiraga Kuki community khaktangnadi Manipur da shanti thambase pamdribase kari maramgino haiba wahangsi mai hangjaningi